Isali playing memory card games at 2.5 years old. Here, Ma. Who we have? Adam and Eve.
Huh?
Where's Adam and Eve, Ma? Where? Yep. Good girl. Alright. Alright, you did it. How about Lazarus? Lazarus. Lazarus. Good girl. Abraham and Sarah. Good girl.
It's you!
Hold on.
Yay!
Hold on. Jonah and the whale. Where is he at? Hold on. Is that I'm recording your daughter, so give me a second. Gabriel. Where's Gabriel? Good girl. Did you see him, Gabriel? Moses and the 10 Commandments. There you go. Good girl.
Go.
David and Goliath.
Let me say.
Where's David and Goliath?
Say.
Good girl.
Yay!
Samson. Good girl.
Yay!
Yay! Joseph and his coat.
Okay. What's so small?
Where is it, baby?
Huh?
Joseph and his coat.
Wow. Do you see, Ma?
Where is it?
Huh? Oh.
Good girl. Jesus. Where's Jesus at?
Huh?
¿Dónde está Jesús?
Huh?
Jesús. Jesús, ¿dónde está?
Huh?
Where is it at, baby?
Say.
Where?
Say.
Ahí. Jesús.
Yee.
Good girl.
Yee.
Zechariah and Elizabeth. Where is it?
Huh?
Where is Zechariah and Elizabeth?
Say.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Daniel and the lion's den.
Okay. Now that's.
¿A dónde?
Say.
Oh, right.
Yay.
Good girl.
Bigger.
Hannah. Hannah. Where is she at?
Say.
Where?
Say.
Ahí. Good girl. Mary and Joseph.
Okay.
Where are they at?
Huh?
Where's Mary and Joseph?
Huh? Huh?
Look for Mary and Joseph. Where are they at?
Huh?
Hmm?
Huh?
¿A dónde?
Huh?
Look at this one. Okay. ¿A dónde está esa?
Say.
Good girl.
Thank you.
Mary Magdalene.
Say.
Good girl. And the last one, Noah's Ark.
Okay.
Where's Noah's Ark?
Say.
Good girl.
Yeah.
As you see,
Yeah.
my baby girl is smart.
Mom.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
2.5 years old.